Hi, I'm Michael Tracy, and today I want to talk to you about mental health in the digital age and how you can manage it. We live in a world where digital technology has become inseparable from almost everything we do. Whether it's work, socializing, or entertainment, it's all connected through our devices. While these innovations have made life more convenient, they've also created an environment where we are constantly bombarded by information, notifications, and stimuli. And that constant connectivity comes with a cost. The reality is that digital overload, the flood of information and endless screen time, is taking a toll on mental health for many of us. From social media to emails and work apps, we're constantly switched on, which leads to increased stress and even burnout. But the good news is, by taking intentional steps, we can manage these effects and reclaim control over our mental well-being. First, let's talk about identifying digital fatigue. Ever find yourself feeling anxious, distracted, or irritable after long hours of screen time? These are signs that your brain is struggling to process all the incoming information. Acknowledging this is the first step to understanding how digital overload is impacting you personally. Once you recognize these symptoms, it becomes easier to create a plan to counteract them. Now, let's move on to some practical strategies to reduce digital overload. One of the most effective techniques is adopting digital detox. I'm not saying you need to go off-grid, but setting specific periods to disconnect can do wonders. Start by designating tech-free hours in your day. This could be during meals or before bed. Doing this helps you recalibrate, reduce stress, and refocus your mind. Another game changer is setting boundaries for your tech usage. It's easy to get sucked into endless scrolling or constantly checking emails, but you need to define clear limits. One thing that's worked for me is scheduling specific times to check emails and social media rather than reacting to every notification. That way, you're staying in control rather than being pulled in 100 different directions. And speaking of staying present, practicing mindfulness is another powerful tool to help you manage digital stress. Taking just 10 to 15 minutes a day to meditate or engage in mindfulness exercises can significantly improve your focus and mental clarity. It allows you to slow down and stay grounded in the moment rather than being overwhelmed by the constant noise of the digital world. Now let's talk about being more intentional with the content you consume. This is crucial. We often don't realize the effect low-quality content, whether it's negative news or mindless scrolling, can have on our mental state. I encourage you to start asking yourself, is this content adding value to my life? If it's not, switch it up. Focus on content that's enriching, informative, or inspirational. The quality of what you consume online directly impacts your mindset. Lastly, leverage the positive side of technology. While digital overload can be damaging, there are also incredible resources available to help improve mental health. From meditation apps to online therapy platforms, there's never been more access to tools that support your well-being. Taking advantage of these resources can help you turn the challenges of the digital world into opportunities for growth. And at the end of the day, it's about taking back control. By incorporating digital detoxes, setting boundaries, practicing mindfulness, and being more intentional with the content you engage with, you can protect your mental health and create a healthier relationship with technology. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you currently manage your digital consumption, and what's one new strategy you're going to start using today? Leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to follow up with you. If you've enjoyed this video and feel it was valuable in teaching you about mental health in the digital age, subscribe to the Brian Tracy International channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget, click the button on the screen for a free gift. Thanks for watching.